start out with Captain Obvious Whiff. This is a coin that I started shorting back in March when people thought I was crazy. The Captain Obvious cup and handle. I hope other people see this. Right now it looks like a cup, so therefore we could have a pullback. But right now, I think before we have a pullback, Whiff could possibly, within the next couple of weeks, definitely go back up from here and hit this target. I never had anything against Whiff. If this, what I understand about price action and volume, when Bitcoin was having its ETF pump, started having rejection wicks back in March, I'm like, altcoins are going to suffer. Bitcoin dominance was up. What happened? Altcoins started going down. They got drugged. Now, this is a new meme coin, and if you look at its market cap, it has been doing great. And also, I would like to say that in relevance to Doge has already pumped 3x already. So I want to take a minute. I'm not going to touch the charts. I just want to speak. The way altcoins flow during the bull market is you have Ethereum, Solana, then you have the large caps, then you have the small caps. Doge already pumped. I feel like Whiff, you know, the way it's structured, wants to revisit all-time highs because it hasn't yet. And I feel like this is a powerful meme coin. I'm not chasing ones that already pumped. Doge did 3x already. So let's see. Let's go just look at a simple support and resistance. This is basic TA right here. Weekly time frame, which is a high time frame, and this is a powerful time frame. So let me break out a good old rectangle. Right here, you can see where my cursor is, around $3.19 to the highs where my cursor is now to the left. All these wicks right here, boom. We'll say this was a good floor, like $3 to like $3.30, this area. This is the weekly time frame. Let's zoom in a little closer to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, now we look like we have another cup forming on the 4-hour time frame. Where's my brush, man? Brush, here we go. Highlighter, found it. So here we go. This could be another cup and handle underway. So we have all this area, which is a high time frame support and resistance area. So if Whiff remains above this area right here, this consolidation zone, I believe that it will stay postured positively to go to this bull run highs. So next stop would be to reclaim this previous high. Now currently we're in a strong uptrend as it launched from this area. The EMAs on the 1-hour time frame are perfectly fanned out. You can see the light blue colored EMA right here is the 200. The dark blue EMA is the 50, and this yellow is the simple period moving average, or the 20 period simple moving average of the Bollinger Band, the middle bias of the Bollinger Band. So, I mean, me personally, I'm not gonna chase this pump. It's the weekend. I'm gonna try to see if we can get a pullback into the EMAs. What I do want to say is a lot of people I'm seeing a lot of chit chat in telegrams and discords. People are wanting Bitcoin to crash because they feel that is what's gonna make altcoins pump. We don't want Bitcoin to crash. Now, let me just jump into Bitcoin real quick. Okay, Bitcoin is very tricky right now with this huge red wick. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we'll use this 4-hour time frame right here. 90K. I put in the telegrams and discords. If you're in any of these groups that follow me, you know what I've been saying. I want us to stay above 90K. First, it was 85K. Now I say it's 90K. This is a range we're in. We have 90K or 90. Let's just say 90,800, and right here at 100K. Price overshot 100K, but we didn't get a daily close. When it first came out, it went above 100K all the way to 104, then it came back down to 98,000. Then we had a daily close like right at 100K pretty much, and then another daily indecision candle. So this is all indecision right here. Bitcoin hasn't had a good solid break above 100K, but that's cool. As long as Bitcoin can keep ranging, not break this 90K, worst case scenario 85. Now, Bitcoin did shoot down. My opinion would be that altcoins would suffer temporarily. If this is a bull run and we're going to continue up, then altcoins would do a pullback. That's if we were to come all the way down to 90K, 85K. But if Bitcoin just keeps consolidating, which this is cool right now because I've seen, let me get rid of these fibs. That's some old TA. Now, this is like a big consolidation right here. And normally people would say this is a pullback type formation. You know, they would expect it to come down, but that has not been the case in past bull runs. With this very formation, it actually shoots up. Not saying that's what it has to do, but we've seen it happen. The daily time frame EMAs, this is that perfect fan. Let's go back to March during that rally. Okay, so here we go. Here's the same EMAs, perfect fan. When the bull run started, EMAs fanned out all the way to March. We did have this pullback right here. Price kept going up. Light blue's the 200. EMA, dark blue, the 50, middle bias of the Bollinger Band, the 20 period simple moving average is the yellow. So we have this perfect fan. Bitcoin rallied all the way to March. We started getting rejection wicks, weekly time frame. This is the rejection wicks I was talking about. This what gave me the indication of short. Volume started shrinking, buy volume started shrinking. So now weekly time frame analysis, this is what I want to talk about. We still have a fanning of the EMAs. We're extended from the EMAs, but this consolidation that we're going through right here, these wicks, this is consolidation. This is what we need Bitcoin to do. We need it to be choppy up and down, but we do want it to keep going up. It can come all the way down to the bottom of this consolidation, 90K area. If we had a huge dump, I'm still cool with that. My trading style is pullbacks into the EMAs anyway. I would love to play that if it happened. You know, I would try to get in on that play. But for altcoins, it could cool some of them off. The top runners, this would let you know who the stronger altcoins are. They would need to stay in a positive structure on the high time frames, not make lower highs and lower lows, but make higher highs and higher lows. So we're in a positive structure. It's easy to see. This is where the consolidation was, the purple lines. That's where we broke from. I don't think we're going to come back here no time soon until altcoin, season is over with, the whole bull run's over with. That's what I think. Anything can happen, but I just wanted to make this video. I wanted to look at WIF. That's what I'm looking at right now. They have a bunch of other strong altcoins that's out there, but in my opinion, WIF hasn't just took off yet. It hasn't 3x'd from the past couple of weeks, and it hasn't even took out its all-time high, and it's a strong meme coin. So I just wanted to give a fast Bitcoin TA, and I would also like to share something else. I would like to share the higher time frame RSI from the bull runs when Bitcoin broke out and the RSI went to overbought. Now, when you get into overbought, people have that trading mentality of, okay, overbought, let's sell, oversold, let's buy, which that's cool. But in a peak bull run, when the RSIs on the high time frames go into overbought, that's when the price goes crazy, and it'll stay in overbought for a while. And I will share this now.
So the past 2 times that the RSI on the weekly time frame has went into overbought, it's been about 10 weeks and 11 weeks, 70 to 77 days as shown in the chart. So right now we've been, well, not we, but the RSI has been in overbought for about 4 weeks. So we have about maybe 7 weeks to go for everything just to pump. Extreme pump. Pump, 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 pump that shit.